Hi, my name is Simo, and today we're gonna have ourselves a little treat. We're gonna take a lamb shoulder, we're gonna steam it, and then we're gonna finish it in the oven with some garlic, some butter, some rosemary, and then we're gonna serve it on a platter of vegetables and olives. Almost healthy, definitely delicious. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take each piece of lamb and we're gonna stuff it with some fresh garlic and some rosemary, and so when it steams, all those aromas are gonna go through the meat, making it very, very flavorful. Now it's time for the pressure cooker. Now, of course, you can use a regular steamer to do this, but it's gonna take you 3.5 hours to almost 4 hours, depending on how young the animal is. But of course, if you have a pressure cooker or you have an Instapot, just do what I'm gonna do, and you realize that you can do this in 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and you're gonna get a lamb that is falling off the bone. Medium-high heat, ceramic bowl to put at the bottom. This is not a bowl per se, but it's still a ceramic bowl. So you want just enough water to get very close to the level of the bowl so that it doesn't touch the meat. I'm gonna add few bay leaves to the bottom of the pot. Next, just like a regular steaming net, I'm gonna lay it right here, right on top, and then comes the meat. Also, I want to stick in these onions, and later they're just gonna fall apart, get very soft. They also add a nice flavor to the meat. Close my pressure cooker. I'll give it 1.5 hours before I check on it for the first time. If the meat needs a little bit more time, I'll give it another 30 minutes. Otherwise, I'm free to take care of the vegetables. I'm gonna serve it with some vegetables. I have here boiled potatoes, carrots, beets. For how to make the vegetables, I have a video here for you. You should check it out. It's a video on how to make a Moroccan garden salad or royal salad. I wanted to make green beans, but they are not in season, but that will go also very well with the dish. I also have pickled turnips, delicious, beautiful, and I also have a video for it. Check it out. When it comes to olives, I have these like green olives for you, but at the same time, I have these wonderful grilled olives that I buy from a Syrian shop. You have such a nice smoky flavor to them. If you can find grilled olives, try them. At the same time, I'm gonna make a batch of fries because why not? Well, it's certainly very soft. I have some melted butter, some salt, and some pepper. First, I'm gonna apply some butter to most of the lamb. And then I have a nice flaky salt, good quality, and then freshly grounded black pepper. Just go light on the salt, light on the pepper, because later you want people to add even more salt to their taste. And then also add some cumin. Then I'm gonna throw it in the oven, 10 minutes, the grill function just from the top, and done. Meat is ready. Time to plate it all. First, some lettuce. I told you this is gonna be almost healthy. Right below the meat, I want fries. I just wanted all that fat to drip and soak straight into the fries, and then, yeah, I think you know where I'm going with this. Of course, the meat. There should be enough for 6 normal people or like 3 hungry teenagers. And now I'm just gonna go around and set this up in a way that it looks beautiful. I have my cumin and my salt traditionally, and that's it.